Now you see the ferry, right?
Yeah, I told you I think the ferry's there.
It's right under the fireworks. That was all those cars we were
Yeah, they're
seeing.
coming off. They're probably all parked somewhere there. Yeah, that's the ferry.
That's the ferry.
The ferry boat is leaving.
They're going out now? Yeah. They're
Yeah.
leaving.
Yeah.
People in the fair would see that fireworks.
Heading Long Island.
Watch them on the water.
Oh yeah, that gotta be nice to on top of the
Yeah.
ferry.
Yeah.
See that huge boom?
Oh, that gotta be real nice.
I think we should do that at home.
You can't really get those big fireworks at home.
Her sister's knocked down the car. She can't get out.
Yeah, she's knocked out. She's going to bed. She went to bed quicker than me. In my mind, I asked.
What do you see, Britt? Nothing. Oh, okay. I thought you said.
Yeah, the rain held off.
That side.
Remember it said rain? You could see, Jim?
Yeah. The ones that have an orange and blue.
They so pretty.
Orange has like a little bird and like this.
I'm watching it now. I gotta be listening to the video. Immediately. So you could have put all your lights on. All of her lights and those. That's big. All 7. Big body there.
We used to go fishing right there.
You see the big giant pipe down there?
Huh?
Big giant pipe.
Yeah.
Bodies in there.
There's good fishing over here though. We used to go to the dock when we were kids or over here under these things.
All things. I'm so pretty.
When we were young, 30 years ago,
Yeah.
35 years. Oh, we fished everywhere.
Ooh, I love it.
Yeah.
4th of July.
You guys have intrusive.
I love
Intrusive.
No, but it was. Why would you say that to me? She takes that seriously. I have to put her on a leash. She's not big.
Ooh, that's so pretty.
I love it, the colorful ones. Why are you moving like that?
Make sure nobody's near our car. Those are big fireworks right there.
Got money to do that. Pay for all that.
Those are nice, huh? Big old fireworks.
Look. Those are birds. Those are drones. Drones? Or birds. Those are drones. Those
Where?
are not birds.
Where?
Up in the sky. Up. I see them.
What color?
They're gone now. Are those birds?
I don't see none.